Hi everyone, welcome back to Amsham Handmade. So today, apart from all the craft and art activities, I'm gonna show you how to make this herbal hair wash which gives the best result for dandruff and other kind of scalp issues. This is 100% herbal and completely natural. So let's get started. So for this you need curry leaves, neem leaves, hibiscus leaves and its flowers, and preferably if you're having the buds it's better, and some garlic pods. Garlic has the antibacterial and antifungal properties, so you can add on this, and it is a key ingredient for this kind of hair wash. So for grinding you need a grinding stone like this. Try to have this kind of stones. If you don't have, don't use a mixer grinder, you can use any other stones to just mash it. So moving on to the working process, we'll be roughly mashing the garlic pods, the neem leaves and the curry leaves. So we'll be using this grinding stone and we'll be just mashing it thoroughly. So we are not supposed to use a mixer grinder because mixer grinder will make it into a complete paste. If you don't have this kind of grinding stone, you can use the one in which like we used to powder the whole spices. So you can put all these things into that and you can just mash it with that stick that it is having. So you'll have to make it into a fine paste. You'll have to make sure that almost all the leaves are being grinded very well. And after that you don't need to add any water to this, and after that you will be like taking out all this paste that we have got into the vessel, into any vessel. Like it has to be very sure that it will be bitter. You'll have to wash this vessel after making this very neatly because the neem leaves are so bitter. Trust me, you won't be able to use this utensil for like 2 or 3 wash until you don't wash it for 2 to 3 times. And after that add on this hibiscus leaves, its flowers, and I'm having 2 to 3 buds of the same flower. Just mash it nicely. In this process you don't have to make it into a fine paste, you just need to mash it. While mashing, what you'll be getting is you'll be getting a pus kind of thing out of this leaf. If you're interested, you can also add fenugreek. What you'll have to do is you'll have to soak the fenugreek for overnight and you'll have to grind it along with these leaves and all, and you can use it. Since fenugreek is a natural conditioner and it is a kind of cooling agent, so you can use that also, but I don't like the smell that comes out of that fenugreek, so I'm not using it. I will be just skipping that step. So after making this paste, you will have to be very sure that you are like not mashing it completely because we ultimately have to strain the solution. So that's why I told you like not to use a mixer grinder, because if it is into a fine paste, so you won't be able to strain it out completely. We just need the water, the fluid kind of substance that we are getting from all these leaves and all. So grind it thoroughly and just collect it into the same vessel. I'm trying this since it is lockdown days and like you don't have anything to do at home also like so, and you don't have to use it on everyday basis. You just need to do it once or twice a week, because like you can even find the result in over the first wash itself. So you don't have to do it every day. You just be sure that you are not using it only once. You try the same procedure for 2 to 3 weeks, but the only thing is like you'll have to sit and grind this every day, like every time when you want to do it over your hair, and it is completely messy. Like after you do it, you will have to clean all this area. That is the biggest part. So I'm just collecting all this leaf, the paste, everything. So you just need to add on water right now in this process. Like during this procedure you'll be like adding water to the stone, because you'll be getting that kind of solution. Use your hands and rub it thoroughly. You'll get that sticky gummy kind of substance that you can see it is coming out from the stone. You just need to wash the stone thoroughly, add on water as required, and use your fingers to just rub it with your nails, and just while doing, move your hands in circular motion, rub it in circular motion. You will be getting everything. Do as what I am doing. Like try to extract, because the solution, ultimately the gummy kind of, the fluid kind of solution will be on the stone itself. So we need to collect it from the stone. I'll try to do another video on like how this can be done with the dried powders of these kind of leaves and flowers. I'll be drying all these things and I'll try it out whether it is good or not, because you can't store it for a longer period. I mean, you can't store it. Ultimately you can't store it. You just need to use it on a fresh basis. Like when you make it today, for example, you're making it today, you just need to use it on your hair today itself. So you can't keep it in the refrigerator or something, because it gets fermented. So I'll be trying to make a video on this dry using the dry ingredients, so we can store it. So now this is a point where I'm adding the rice starch, the starch that comes out from the cooked rice. So it's optional, but you'll have to be very sure that you are not using the fresh one. You'll have to ferment it for overnight. This is also a kind of natural conditioner. It gives a smoothness to your hair. So it's optional. If you don't have this, you can truly like omit this procedure. So after using this everything, like after mixing everything, just use your fingers and like squeeze it out, so like the leaves will leave all these kind of fluids that they are having. After that, it is the time to strain the solution. So I'll be using a muslin cloth or any kind of towel kind of clothes. So pour this thing, be sure that the cloth is clean and the cloth has to be wet, or else the solution won't come out easily. Why I made this video was because once I uploaded a photo of all these ingredients on a grinding stone and I uploaded it as my story. So everyone started requesting me like how to do it, how to grind it. So I thought of making a video of it and thought of uploading it. So that's how it came into my YouTube channel. So after pouring all the solution, hold the cloth like this and like just give some pressure so that the solution can come out easily. It's not that normal water kind of consistency, so it takes some times to drain off. So use some pressure, it will come out easily. So you can see that green color liquid, that is what we are going to apply it on our hair. So it is watery and it is like water based solution. So what you have to do is, when you're going to apply it on your hair, you just take some solution on your hands and just apply it on your scalp. You don't have to apply it all over your hair, just apply it on your scalp. So while applying it on your scalp, and just give a gentle massage and just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. So you'll be having a irritation kind of thing. If you're having dandruff and scalp issues, like you'll be getting itchy kind of feel. That's only because of this garlic and neem. So after that, just wash off and wash off with normal water, and again do the procedure with the same water. Like just pour this solution over here and just give a rub and just wash it again with the clear water until the water comes out clearly. So that's how it has to be done. And yeah, my solution is ready. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be coming with these kind of videos too. So it's you can try it out and do let me know the feedback. Trust me, it works. It's always better to use this kind of herbal solution since you are at home and these are like easily available things. So please try this out if you're having all these ingredients with you in your surroundings, and please do let me know in the comment section. So please share and subscribe. I'll be back with another video.